In this video, we will be discussing perimeter. Let's begin with what is the definition of perimeter. Perimeter is the distance all the way around a figure. So let's write it. It is the distance all the way around a figure. In real life, we can think about a fence. So we have a yard with all the grass and all the plants, and we want to know how big our yard is so that we can put a fence around our yard. Well, we need to know the distance around the yard in order to put a fence up. So we solve perimeter by adding all of our sides together. And we add all the sides. All is key here. And here is an example. So here's our fence, or our yard and our fence. And this side is going to equal 15 inches, 12 inches. This side's going to be 15 inches, and this side's going to be 12 inches. So in our equation, we're going to add them together. So we have 15 inches plus 12 inches plus 15 inches plus 12 inches. And then we can begin to solve them. We know that 15 and 15 equals 30. We know that 12 and 12 equals 24. So we can add these together, and then 30 plus 24 equals 54. And the cool thing about this is that the units in the shape, like inches or feet or meters, is going to be the units in our final answer, or our sum. So let's get working and do some together. So here is our shape, and here are our lengths. We have 17 inches, 9 inches, 13 inches, and 9 inches. Okay, so let's begin with our equation. We have 9 inches plus 13 inches plus 9 inches plus 17 inches. So we can begin to add them together. We know that 9 plus 9 equals 18 inches. And we know that 17 plus 13, we can either do it over here, or we can calculate it in our head, is going to equal 30. So then 30 plus 18 would give us 48 inches. Okay, so I'm going to give you another shape, and it is a closed figure. I want you to pause the video, solve it, and then come back in the video to check your answer. Here is the shape and the measurements. Go ahead, pause the video, solve it, and then come back in to check your answer. Awesome. Welcome back. So hopefully you've solved it. We're going to go ahead and check your answer to see if you were correct. So let's go ahead and write our equation. We have 22 inches plus 14 inches plus 12 inches plus 12 inches plus 12 inches. Whoop, I'm going to have to move it over a little bit. Plus 12 inches plus 14 inches. Whew. So these are a lot of numbers. So how are we even going to solve these numbers? Well, the easiest way is to break them up into pairs, and you solve the pairs at a time. So you can solve 22 plus 14. We know that 22 plus 14 is 36 inches. You can also solve it in the blank space below to make sure that you are solving it correctly. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, now we move to the next pair. We have 12 plus 12. These are doubles, so we can use our double rules, and 12 plus 12 is 24. Then we have another 12 plus 12, and we just did that, so that's 24 inches. And we're left over with this 14. So we're going to bring the 14 down to the next equation. So we're going to repeat the same thing. We're going to add the pairs. So we have 36 plus 24. Let's do it in the white space. 36 plus 24. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 down, 1 up. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. So our answer is 60 inches. The second pair is 24 plus 14. Let's do it in the bottom. So 24 plus 14. We have 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 38 inches. And we have one last pair that we can add together. Again, we can do it in the blank space. 60 plus 38. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 3 is 9. So we have 98 inches. So our answer will be 98 inches. The most important part of these problems is showing your work. You must show your work so that you don't get lost in all of the numbers. Because sometimes there might be more than 4 or 5 numbers that you have to add together. So working the problem slowly, taking pairs and adding them together, and then going down and creating multiple equations will help you to solve the problem. So let's do one last one. And again, I want you to pause the video, solve it, and then come back in using the strategy that we just learned of pairing the numbers and adding them. Here's the problem. Go ahead and pause the video and then solve it. Great, welcome back. So let's go ahead and solve our answer. The first thing we always do is create a large equation with all of the numbers. So I'm going to start up here at 27. And I'm going to check off my numbers every time I go around. So I have 27 inches plus 19 inches plus 21 inches plus 14 inches plus 9 inches plus 28 inches. I might have to scoot it over, so we have 17 inches and 12 inches left. So if they get cut off, those are the two that we have left. So let me scoot it over. Okay. All right, we have plus 17 inches and plus 12 inches. So first thing we're going to do is make pairs. So we have 27 plus 19. You can do it in the bottom in the white space. So we have 27 plus 19. 7 plus 9 is 16. 6 down, 1 up. That's 4. So we have 46. Then we have 21 plus 14. You can also do it down here. We can do it small so we can add them all in. 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 35 inches. Then we have 9 and 28. So we have 28 plus 9. A trick with this would be act as if 9 was 10. So it would be 28 plus 10, and that equals 38. It's 9. We just subtract 1. So we have 37. So that's a trick when you're dealing with nines. You add 10, subtract 1. So it's 37 inches. And the last one is 17 and 12. Wow, that worked out perfectly. So we have 17 plus 12, and we have 7 plus 2 is 9, 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 29 inches. Let's change colors. Help us organize all of our equations. So then we have 46 and 35. Again, we can do it in the blank space at the bottom. So 46 plus 35. 6 plus 5 is 11. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So we have 81 inches. Plus, next is 37 and 29. So 37 plus 29. Here's a 9, so we add 10, subtract 1. Add 10 would be 17, subtract 1, that's 16. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So we have 66 inches. Now we can do our last one. I'm going to flip colors. And we have 81 inches plus 66 inches. So the last one, 81 plus 66. We have 1 plus 6 is 7. And 8 plus 6 is 14. So we have 147 inches. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this helped with perimeter.